Believe me when I said professional photographers are in big trouble. I was able to achieve this stunning photo shoot with 100% free AI tools in just few minutes. No blurriness, no expensive gadgets required, just 100% free AI tools. And if you watch this video till the very end, I'm going to show you 3 different platforms that will help you to achieve this, and also the best prompt that will not mess up the image or your image, but instead it will maintain your natural features and beauty. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, you are welcome. You might want to consider subscribing because massive value awaits you. If you are a returning subscribers, welcome back. You guys are my real OGs. Now let's dive in. The very first thing you need is a portrait picture of yourself, a portrait photograph that look like this. It can be a selfie where you are facing the camera, and most importantly, make sure you look natural so it can preserve your look very well. I will be using this picture of mine. Okay, now the next thing is to open your Pinterest app. If you don't have a Pinterest app, quickly go to your Play Store or your App Store to download it and install it on your phone immediately. Okay, once you've downloaded it and installed it, you're going to sign in your Google account and fill in some detail like your gender and age. I have already done that. That's why I'm able to access the platform. Once you've done all of that, this is how the interface looks like. Now in the search bar, you're going to type photo shoot ideas and you will see tons of amazing photo shoot idea you can pick from. Once you see the one you like, click on it, then tap on this 3 dot at the top right here of the image and click download image. This image will be saved on your phone gallery. If you want more options, you can search for things like corporate photo shoot ideas, birthday photo shoot ideas, beach photo shoot idea, and so on. I'm going to search for another photo shoot image inspiration. So on the search bar right here, I'm going to type beachside photo shoot and tons of inspiration pop up. Now you're going to scroll all the way. When you see any photo that you like, then you're going to click on the image, then further click on this 3 dots right here, then click on download image, and this image will be downloaded and saved in your phone gallery. I'm going to search for another image inspiration. I think I need about 3 images for this. So on the search bar right here, I'm just going to type birthday photo shoot, and these are the images that load up. So whatever photo shoot idea you have, just type it on the search bar and you will see enough results to work with. So I'm just going to search for fine birthday photo shoots. So scroll until you see any picture that you like. Okay, so I am cool with this picture, so I'm just going to tap on the picture like this, then further tap on this 3 dots right here, further click on download image, and this image will be downloaded. So that's it. This is how you are going to search for your image inspiration. Okay, so once you've gotten your image, you're going to come here on your browser, type Grok.com. Once it loads up, you're going to long press on the first result, then click on open tab in new group, and this is going to load up Grok in the desktop mode. So yes, Grok is the first AI tool we are going to use to generate our lookalike image. Once you've logged in on your Grok account, this is how the interface looks like. I hope you know that Grok is no longer free. So if you are using Grok for the first time, then you need to create an S account, then pay a stipend as subscription so that you can be able to access Grok. Once you are logged in, go to the top left corner right here and click on chat. After that, come over here and click on attach, then further click on upload file. This will take you to your phone gallery to select the image you want to replicate. Select the image you want and let it load up. The first image I'm going to be working with is this professional photo shoot idea. So I'm just going to select the image by tapping on it, then further click on select, and this image is going to load up. Once this image load up, I'm going to go over to my notebook and copy my prompt.
Now here is the prompt I am working with. Act as a professional photographer. Give me a detailed description of the attached image, except the face but include the hairstyle. Don't worry, I will leave this prompt in my description box so you can copy it and use it whenever you want to recreate yours. Then I will come over to this prompt box and paste the prompt. After that, click on enter and Grok will give you a full description of the image without including the face, and this will help you maintain your own face and likeness. Another AI tool that can help you generate image description is Gemini AI and also ChatGPT. You can try any of these AI tool and it will give you exactly the same result, maybe slightly different but almost the same result. Now I'm going to copy this prompt and paste it in my notepad. I will go through it carefully. If there is anything I want to change, I'm going to just adjust the prompt, so feel free to do the same thing as well. Now I'm going to copy the second prompt from my notes where I typed the prompt. Okay, this prompt is going to help me maintain my face, combine everything together. So I'm just going to copy it, then I'm going to go back to Grok. Right here on Grok, I'm going to click on imagine, then scroll all the way down and tap on this photo icon. Click on edit image and this will take you to your phone gallery. Right here, I'm going to upload my own image, my own photo without makeup. Once you've gotten the image you want to work with, tap on it, then click on done and this image will load up on Grok. Now I'm going to go back to my notes, the prompts that we generated on Grok. I'm just going to copy the prompt, come back here to Grok. On this prompt box, I'm going to paste the prompt together with the prompt that is going to help me maintain my face, combine everything together to give me a very good photo. Once you are done pasting your prompts, just go ahead and click on enter and in few seconds your image will be ready. And guys, this is what we have. Isn't this lovely? For me, this is beautiful. I have to give this to Grok. It did a really good job. This is the image I tried to replicate and this is what Grok gave me. It's not perfect, but it's definitely impressive. This is my image without makeup or nothing, and here is what Grok generated. Let me know in the comment section, did Grok do justice to this? Does it still retain my face? Let me know. To download this, you'll come over to this corner on the right, then you tap on this download button and this image will download and save onto your phone gallery. Now let's test another platform, Flow AI. I bet you didn't know you could do this on Flow as well. So come over here to your Google app. On the search bar, you're going to type Flow AI. Once it loads up, scroll all the way down and select Google Lab. Image generation on Flow is 100% free. Once it loads up like this, you're going to click on Create with Flow. After that, you're going to sign in your Google account. I have already signed in my Google account. That's why I'm able to access Flow AI like this. Click new project, then come all the way to the top corner here and tap on this plus sign. This option will drop down. Now you're going to click on upload image. You're going to tap I agree on this notification, then come over here and tap on this plus sign again, and this is going to take you to your phone gallery to select the image we want to work with. So I'm just going to search and select the image that I used earlier, the one that I used on Grok, because we need to compare the results. So here is the image. I'm just going to tap on it and let it load. While this is loading, I'm going to go back to my notes, copy the exact prompts we use on Grok, then I will come back to Flow. On this prompt box, I'm just going to paste the prompt. Now you're going to tap on this rectangular shape and select your aspect ratio 9:16. This aspect ratio is perfect for picture. After that, you're going to click on enter here and let the image generate. One good thing about Flow AI, it usually generates 2 images at once, so you can cross check and choose the one you want. Oh my goodness, this is the image Flow AI generated. Isn't this beautiful? Tell me in the comments, does this image look like the original image we used? This is the image Flow AI generated and this is the original photo. So let me know in the comment section if these two pictures look alike. To download this image, click on download at this top corner right here and make sure you select 2K. This is going to upscale your image before downloading it. Now the next AI tool we are going to test is Ideogram. Now go to Google and on the search bar type Ideogram. Click on the first option and once it loads up, make sure you sign in your email account and also do not forget to switch to desktop mode. Once it finally load up, this is how the interface look like. Now scroll all the way to this left hand side and click on character. This icon right here is the character, so click on it and when it loads up, you're going to see style and character again. So select character and this new page is going to load up. So you're going to create a name for your character and when you are done with that, you're going to tap on create. After that, you're going to select browse and this will take you to your phone gallery to select the picture you want to use. For us, we are going to be using the picture we've been using all this while, the picture we use on Grok and also on Flow AI. And once your picture load up on the timeline like this, you're going to select these three dots right here, then further click on edit character marks. You will see a red highlight tool. Use it to mark the areas you want to change, including the hair, so it matches the prompt. Now if you make a mistake while you are highlighting the place you want to change, come over here and use the erase tool. For me, I just want the face to remain. I want the hair to change, so I'm just going to highlight the hair just the way you see me doing. And once you're done with that, you're going to click on save edit. Now you're going to click on use character because this is the image you want to use to recreate the picture. Now tap on the picture icon and this is going to load up. Here on the prompt box, you're going to paste your prompt here. That is the same prompt to use in creating the image for Grok and Flow AI. We are going to paste the same prompt right here. After that, click on enter and the image will start generating. Now for Ideogram AI, it generates 4 images per one prompt. These are the 4 images Ideogram generated. I want you to compare this to Grok and Flow AI. Ideogram didn't perform very well, but this is not bad at all. This is the picture we use and this is what Ideogram generated. Compare these two pictures. Did they look alike? Now to download this, come over here to the top, click on this download button, then further select SD and this is going to download and save onto your device. I repeated this process multiple times and that's how I generated all this image you're seeing right now. The first 3 images I use Grok, then follow up by this 2 I use Flow AI, then this last 2 I use Ideogram AI.
A quick disclaimer, guys, as at the time that I am recording and editing this video, Grok AI is no longer completely free. With as low as 3,800 Naira subscription, you can get Grok working again on your phone. If you want me to make a video explaining how to go about that, let me know in the comment section. Now, imagine how much you can earn offering this service to people. If you ever try this, come back and tell me which platform worked best for you. We have come to the end of this video. If you find this video really helpful, do well to hit that subscribe button to subscribe. Turn on your bell notification so that you don't get to miss any of this valuable content. Before you go, check out my previous video. You will definitely find something useful. For now, bye. I will see you all in my next video.